Top 10 Motorcycle Things That Need to Change Right Now. There are a lot of things in the world that need changing, but these motorcycle-related ones are the things that take precedence. 10. Lane splitting needs to be legal in all 50 states. I can't believe the AMA and the Motorcycle Industry Council and all those groups who purport to represent motorcyclists in the motorcycle industry aren't all over this. 9. Tax credit for miles traveled by motorcycle. Once the lane splitting proclamation is passed, or even better concurrently, there needs to be a graduated tax credit for those of us who relieve congestion. 8. TV race commentators need to be downsized. Okay, not all of them maybe, but the screamers, the spitters, and the ones who seem to get paid by the word. 7. Electric urban motocross. An ongoing joke between my boy and I, as we began the 2-hour drive many Saturdays to ride our bikes at Lake Elsinore MX Park or some godforsaken place. 6. Federally mandated cruise control and heated grips. Really, I only think heated grips should be mandatory, but you should always ask for more than you want in order to get anything at all. 5. Air conditioning. Look, if they can find a way to make your phone a camera and a Walkman and a GPS and a thing not to answer all at once. 4. Heated seats on everything. So sue me, I was having a hard time coming up with 10 things. If you've ever frozen your butt off on a cold ride, though, you're right there with me. 3. Photochromic face shields need to be available for all, with liberty and justice. It's a bit baffling how you can buy an entire Bell Qualifier DLX helmet with a Transitions face shield for $229.95 at bellhelmets.com, but the Transitions shield by itself is $119.95. 2. Immediate moratorium on Spaniards in MotoGP and Brits in World Superbike. We can let MotoGP slide since Rossi is back in the championship saddle and Ducati's Italian Andreases are in the top 6, along with an Englishman. 1. Supercross fans need to evolve and support AMA Flat Track and Moto America. Personally, I never did get the big Supercross attraction, but I played along for years because my kid dug it until he reached adolescence and they served beer.